What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you 6 sneakers I'm going to be wearing this summer. Hey guys, welcome back to Gent. I'm George. Blake will be in the next video, I promise you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that right now. Today we're going to talk about 6 sneakers that I'm going to be wearing this summer. And I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I don't find myself wearing sneakers as much as I used to. I used to wear, Vans, Nikes, Nike SBs all the time because I was, riding bikes and kind of going to school doing casual stuff. Now I find myself dressing up a little bit more, so my sneaker collection has kind of dwindled. But I'm going to talk about 6 of my favorites right now, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So up first, guys, we got a classic white sneaker. These are from New Republic. Common Project makes them. Lacoste. You can find a billion different white sneakers. I think I have about 7 pairs of white sneakers in my closet right now. These just happen to be the cleanest because I haven't worn them yet, so I'm using these as an example. But a classic white sneaker goes a long way. You can wear them casually, you can wear them dressed up. They work with suits. You can wear them to the bar. This is kind of just a versatile sneaker that goes with anything. There's a plain. And yeah, you can pretty much wear a white sneaker all day, every day. I wouldn't wear them in the rain or any place you're going that happens to be not paved with concrete, because they do get dirty really quickly and they do start to look kind of grungy when they get dirty. So keep your white sneakers clean, but definitely a staple for spring and summer. And up next, guys, another white sneaker, but a more athletic style. This is not going to go with a suit so well, but this is going to be great for running errands. Putting a nice look together with dark denim or even shorts. I just got these from New Balance. They're from their Etruska collab. Just like the little orange accent, but still a clean white sneaker. One of my favorite shoes of the moment. So these are dope. Next on the list, guys, I have these APLs. These are my gym shoes. I am going to the gym. I've been working out very, very consistently lately, so these have been on my feet probably more than any of the other sneakers in there. And if you guys don't know about APL, basically they are 2 guys that went to USC. They created a shoe company. They built a basketball shoe that was supposedly supposed to make you jump higher and be able to run farther. So the NBA actually banned their high tops, so they can't be used in the NBA to play basketball, but you can still buy them. And I will tell you, maybe it's a mental thing, maybe it's not, but after I got these bad boys, I cut down my average mile time from about 10-minute mile to I'm now around just below 9 minutes. So I don't know, maybe it's a mental thing that I made myself push myself harder, but whatever it is, it worked because I now run farther and faster than I ever have. So APL. All right, up next on the list, guys, got these NMDs from Adidas. I mean, these are probably one of the hottest shoes of the last year and a half at least. I love it. It's just kind of got a really comfortable upper. It feels like you're wearing a sock. You can literally, got the Boost sole in there. It's squishy, comfortable, stylish, looks great with cuff denim. Definitely want to go a more slimmer silhouette with these, I think. But, I wear these running errands. I wear these on my casual days just because they're super comfy. They're easy to get on and off, and they look great. And up next, guys, yes, another pair of NMDs. See, they make like 7 different styles of NMDs. So this has this kind of elastic guy that comes up around your ankle, and these guys do not. This is kind of the first looking style that they actually came out with. It's a little more structured, but still super comfy. Just simple gray, little red accent, but you can wear these with anything, and they go with a lot of outfits, which is kind of what I use my sneakers for these days. I kind of try to get the most versatile ones I can, because if you're buying something with wild colors that you're gonna only wear with certain types of outfits, you're gonna need a lot more sneakers, and I don't have that many anymore. So, the more neutral and the more natural they can look, the better for me. Alrighty, guys, and up next on the list, these probably aren't really in the sneaker category, but I'm gonna throw them in there just to throw you guys a curveball and give you something to talk about in the comments. So, these guys are from Swims. They're like a little loafer, but they got the rubber sole. It's actually kind of intended to be like a water shoe, so you can wear these to the beach, you can wear these by the pool. They can get wet, they breathe. You can literally walk in the water with these and they will dry out super quickly. I know a lot of my friends really love these, and you know, these are great on special occasions, certain occasions where you don't want to wear flip-flops or sandals and you need something that can get a little wet and, you know, still dry out and look functional. So not quite a sneaker, but you know, like I said, I'm gonna throw it in there. So these guys are from Swims. They're the last sneaker on my list. Like I said, I don't really have that many sneakers this year, guys. I wish I did, but I will say white sneakers is what I'm wearing the most. NMDs, I'm wearing them on casual days, and then my workout sneakers, obviously every day when I work out. So that's really all I need for sneakers, guys. Comment below what sneakers you guys are rocking this year. I know Vans old schools are very popular. The Nike Off-White collabs are very popular. Yeah, let me know what you guys are rocking in the comments. You guys got Yeezys? Thumbs up this video if you own Yeezys. All right, guys, so that pretty much wraps up the video. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. It really helps us out. We're trying to make it to 100K. Like us on Instagram at Gents Lounge. We'll have links to all those down below. And hashtag your pictures, hashtag Gents Lounge, so we can see what you guys are rocking. Cheers, guys.